Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily customize your sound and music in Palmon Survival game. If you're trying to make the game quieter or louder or more comfortable according to your preference, then here's how you can easily customize the sound and music in the game. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Palmon Survival game on your device. And now once you're inside the main gameplay section, go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left corner. This will open the Explorer info page where you'll need to tap settings from the bottom. Inside the settings menu, tap on settings once again and you'll see an audio tab right under video from the top. You'll see music volume and the effect volume option. You can increase or decrease the music and effect volume according to your preference. If you want to play the game in silent, make sure that the music and effect volume is slided towards the left. And now if you go ahead and play your game, you'll not hear any sound or music whatsoever. But if you want a little music and sound effect, then you can go ahead and drag it towards the right. Select your preferred sound volume for both of the options. You can also go ahead and use your tablet's or your phone's volume button, and that's how you successfully learn to customize your sound and music in the game. That way you can go ahead and enjoy the experience whether you want music and sound effect volume to the max or to the minimum. So there you have it, that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.